In a lush, green garden where flowers bloomed in every color, a tiny canary named Cecil lived. Known for her beautiful voice, Cecil was loved by all the creatures in the garden. One day, a fierce cat prowled into the garden. The animals hid in fear, but Cecil didn't run. Instead, she stood tall on her perch and sang a song so melodious, the cat was enchanted. The cat approached Cecil, mesmerized. "Why aren't you scared of me?" the cat asked. "I could easily catch you and make a meal out of you." Cecil replied, "I trust that my singing can bring peace and wisdom. I believe that even the fiercest of creatures can be swayed by kindness and beauty." The cat, touched by Cecil's words, left the garden. From that day forth, the garden was safe from the cat's wrath. The animals praised Cecil for her bravery and wisdom. "You showed us," said the owl, "that even the smallest of us can make a difference." From then on, Cecil used her voice not just to entertain but to spread peace and harmony in the garden. The moral of the story is, no matter how small you may seem, always stand up for what is right, and use your unique gifts to make a difference.